Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Grammar. Today we will learn how to make a sentence negative. So here are some examples of the how to make the sentence negative. So first one is it is raining. The answer is it is not raining. So here the sentence it is raining, we have make this sentence negative, means it is not raining. The other sentence is I am watching TV, so its negative sentence is I am not watching TV. Third one is she is dancing. The answer of the third one is she is not dancing. Fourth one is he is a doctor. The answer of the fourth is he is not a doctor. Fifth is it is good place, and the answer of is it is not a good place. So friends, this is how we make a sentence to a negative sentence. Thanks for watching.